Spritz the cucumber facial mist on your skin to nourish it from inside out. Use it 3 to 4 times a week to get great benefits. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some cucumber facial spray. If you have acne-prone skin, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, then this video is for you. Please keep watching. First, I'm going to cut my cucumber into 2 pieces since I'm going to be using just a half. After that, I'm going to go ahead and peel my cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A that controls melanin and increases your natural beauty. If your skin is oily or dry, spray is the best answer for you. Cucumber contains a cooling and refreshing effect which helps soothe your skin to get rid of skin infections or sunburn. The next step is to blend my cucumber. I first cut my cucumber into small pieces. I'm going to be adding some water for easy blending, and I prefer distilled water. Use a strainer to strain your blended cucumber. I actually strain it twice to make sure there is no any residues left. Transfer your facial mist into a storage container. And this is how I use it. I first wash my face with lukewarm water, pat dry it with a towel, and I spray. You can also use this as your makeup setting spray. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.